finishing up the RV, and we've been sitting in Georgia, Griffin, Georgia for a couple weeks. We're headed out now to go up to North Georgia, sing tomorrow, and then we're going to be headed to Tennessee, up north of Nashville, to record some vocals. So hopefully we're going to get some good footage of Nashville and all when we get up there.
Flip that switch. Step. What's that? Wait. There's the magnet. Oh, that's the magnet. I got an idea.
Okay.
I got an idea. The step is not going in, not retracting. This is the magnet right here. That's the magnet on the other end. Sometimes it won't reset itself. It needs to reset itself. So what we'll do is just come in, turn everything off. Maybe, hopefully, it will reset itself, because I don't want to buy that little motor, because that thing is $300. Let's see. Just going to turn that generator off too. Go ahead and turn that coach button off. Alright, now turn the coach button back on. It's supposed to come in when I turn the switch on.
So we got the steps fixed. We went on a Facebook group for Rex Halls and put in that we were having trouble with the steps and asked for ideas. And someone said that they just give it a whack and it moves. It starts working again. So we gave that a try after checking the fuses and checking the magnet sensor, and it worked.
Well, actually, we tried it 3 or 4 times, and it was about the 4th or 5th time that we tried whacking it that it started working.
Yeah, well, it was John's magic touch back there. So hey, John.
John hit it and it started working.
Yep, it was one hit from him and started working. So we're headed to North Georgia. So we are coming through, well, we just came through Atlanta, and we're on the north side of Atlanta now, and we got this 5 right lanes closed, merge left. So that means that all these cars and us, all these trucks, we all got to go left. It looks like probably only 1 lane is open, I would think. Maybe 1 or 2 lanes open up here. So yeah, we won't be getting to this church until after dark tonight.
Just ride this out.
So if we ride it out, everybody's gonna be getting over on us, like these trucks here.
Yeah.
So you don't have to go with the flow.
I mean, if it opens up, I'll get over. Come on.
Yeah. Eventually, you're gonna run out of lane though, probably.
Hey driver, how about letting me in there? Come on.
Yeah. Lord, thank you for keeping us safe here.
Okay, car won't let me in.
Thank y'all. Thank you. They're nice people in the world.
Let me over,
I
praise
gotta
God.
get over again if that. Well, no, I don't know how many lanes. Says 5 lanes are closed.
Maybe we'll ride this one. Well, I don't know.
See what happens. Yep.
Those other RVs got in the left lane and they got them down the road.
Pretty
So
sunset over there. This truck coming over. He just
he
came
needed
right.
to make sure I could get over before he did that.
I know, right? Dude.
Yeah, I mean,
Dude.
he needed to.
Ah. All of those lanes right there are closed. We only have these 2 lanes open.
Cobb County, Georgia, 75 north.
Yeah. This is what we're doing tonight.
Would you believe somebody been taking shots out there in the yard at me?
Yeah.
This is the mountains, but man, I didn't think that feuding still went on up here in these North Georgia mountains. I guess it does. Somebody's feuding out there. They shooting guns.
There he goes. Probably good service tomorrow. I won't miss it. So we are coming through the mountains here in northwest Georgia. We sang at a church this morning in Summerville, Georgia, and now we're headed to Dalton to sing at Providence Ministries tonight. It's kind of like a, they have a thrift store and they have ministry to people who are recovering addicts and things like that, and just a really good ministry. So we're going there now. We had somebody look at our generator, the leak on the diesel, while we were at the church. There was a mechanic, and he came to the same conclusion that Johnny did, which is that he's just not sure. It could be a hose or...
No, we're sure
Right.
what it is.
Oh, you are sure what it is?
Just can't get up in there to it.
Oh,
So,
okay.
the fuel line is where it screws up in there.
Yeah.
It's leaking around there where the threads are.
Okay.
Just can't get up in there to it. He didn't have time to fix it. He thought it'd be easy fix. I did too. That's why I hadn't fixed it yet, but eventually it'll get fixed.
Yep. So, yep, we're still in Georgia for now. So we're here at Providence Ministries in Dalton, Georgia. And this is a place where men and women come for recovery. It's just an awesome program here in Dalton, Georgia. And we sang here tonight, and we always love coming here because it is pure ministry. These people that come are just so broken and so surrendered to the Lord, and it's just powerful to see the Lord working in their lives, how they've been set free from addictions. And yeah, so we had a really powerful service. Many people at the altar, and just great night. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. They house there's a lot of men here tonight, but I think they house men and women, but in this place, and they have a little thrift store over here to support it, and yeah, and then they have this church right here. I'll show it to you. So yeah, this is the sanctuary that they have their services in, and this place was just about full tonight, and so all of these seats Warfield. The guys are getting packed up and ready to go, and we're going to be leaving here shortly. But yeah, so this is just a place where people come and they receive ministry here. So it's really neat. There's a thrift store over there in that part. And there's our RV getting all packed up. So we're going to be leaving here and going tomorrow to head up to Gallatin, Tennessee, up near Nashville. And something really cool happened tonight. A guy came up, this is Dalton, Georgia, and so a guy came up and handed me a vial of oil, and it's some of the oil that is been coming out of the Bible here in Dalton. You just have to Google it, look up oils coming out of the Bible in Dalton, Georgia. So look that story up, and I've got a vial of it, and they say that it just keeps replenishing itself. Just keeps appearing. So, pretty cool.
Young ones, but we live for it, we die for it, we live